All right, folks, today we are going to jump into the truck and see if we can get my boost leak sealed up. Let's go. Okay, well, the last month or so has been pretty crazy. I've been a very busy boy. I'm a little bit tired today, and I feel like I'm just going to jump into something pretty simple. Tomorrow we will probably be jumping into some more transmission stuff or continuing work with the truck, but I just can't go on anymore without trying to get to the bottom of this boost leak. As you guys know, I am a complete connoisseur of off-idle response, but anyways, I went and bought a new V-band clamp today, and we're gonna put it on here, fire up the compressor, and see if we can get this thing sealed up. Okay, well, I went and bought this V-band clamp from Vibrant. This says it is good for 2 3/4 to 3 inch. I'm going to go out on a limb and just say this thing is either the exact same size as the ones I have or too big. I was actually in Vancouver at a shop that I thought would have one in stock. I didn't want to pull it off, but I measured. As you can see, that looks like right around 3 inches there. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this off, and we will see if it fits or not. All right, well, let me tell you, I am so confused right now. This is about 2 7/8 or so, right around there. Sorry, it's hard to do both of these at once. I mean, it's definitely bigger than 2 3/4. So theoretically, that clamp that I have should be perfect. Yeah, I don't get this at all. I mean, this new one is clearly way bigger. Has a part number on it, 1491C. Look on here, 1491C, 2 3/4 to 3 inch. I mean, that is not even in the ballpark of the right size. I mean, look at this thing here. It's way bigger. Yeah, I mean, there's that one bottomed out. This is right around 3 inches. Obviously too big. This one here, 4 inches. On what planet is that a 3 inch, 2 3/4 to 3 inch V-band clamp? I mean, unless they put the wrong part number on this or something, which is unlikely, but I gotta tell you, I'm more confused now than when I started. Back to the parts store. All right, well, I'm back from the parts store. The guy was saying that it's probably the actual inside diameter of the pipe. So I guess this is 2 inch. So we've ordered another one, should be in tomorrow, and let's just hope that it works out. All right, well, it's the next day. Just picked this one up. I was gonna say that it's definitely too small, but this one is bottomed right out, and that other one still has a bit of play, so it's probably a pretty good shot that it might work. Okay, now this one is too small. So close. I'm not even sure if there's a size in between this one and the other one that we checked at the store. This is getting ridiculous. All right, well, the fellers at the parts store definitely did their best to try and help me out, but we just couldn't get to the bottom of that. They referred me to a place that's a bit more big rig oriented, and right away I gave him this. He went in the back, pulled this one out. Kind of hard to show, but just a little bit smaller there. So we're gonna toss her on in and see if all my dreams of a leak-free turbo system have come true. Okay, well, it appears to be sealed up. There might still be some minor hissing here and there. For right now, I think that this system is sealed up. So let's take it for a drive and see how the throttle response has changed. Basically warmed up. Huge improvement with the boost leak gone. taking off, first gear. 5 pounds, just like that. Some 0 to 60 testing coming up pretty soon, so I'm going to try a little bit of a boosted launch, run through the gears a bit, see what kind of boost I can get to before the tires start squeaking. Alright folks, well, that is definitely one in the win column. I've been fighting boost leaks on this thing forever. So nice to have that thing sealed up. Off-idle response is feeling very nice, and overall the truck is running great. Also, you know, when you're driving along in second or third gear and you just give it a little bit of throttle, I just love when you can feel it come to life immediately, and it is definitely doing that right now. So anyways, there was a lot of running around, but that is just kind of the name of the game. At the end of the day, we got her done. I want to say I appreciate you guys coming along. Thanks for giving me a thumbs up and a subscribe, ringing the bell, and all that kind of stuff, and we will see you on the next one.